Now, let me explain how to fix the error message that says, "No internet connection." There's no internet connection on your phone, as you can see here. Let's fix this issue. First, let's check if you have an internet connection available, as you see. Check your internet. First, make sure your browser opens properly and websites load correctly. YouTube and all other sites are working just fine, as you see. If you encounter a problem, carefully try to restart your router for a better connection, as you can see, and simply switch to another network for better connectivity. If it doesn't work, carefully restart your device and try again. Now let's check the PC too. Sometimes the app loses connection to the server, as shown. This is something that many people can experience, as you can see in various cases. If that still doesn't work, then try disabling the connection carefully. If you have a VPN or proxy enabled, those settings can potentially block your internet connection, as you can see here. The CapCut servers, which can sometimes cause connection errors, as shown. If you have a VPN enabled, disable it now and then reconnect to the internet. Check your connection now. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.